Dear customers, our biggest well wishes. I trust you and your family are healthy and safe. We are witnessing a once in a lifetime event. I would not say these are not difficult times, but I would like to believe that these are different times. Things which looked extremely difficult earlier now seem within our reach. Things which looked difficult are being done nowadays very easily, and things which looked easy earlier now look difficult. Just imagine how difficult it is to visit a customer now just to say hello. These changing times have forced us to unlearn a few things, relearn quite a few of our operational things, and learn new concepts. This paradigm shift in our thinking will not leave anybody unaffected. At Mosul, I would like to believe that we have fast forwarded by at least 2 to 3 years in terms of digitizing our operations and, most importantly, digitizing our thought processes. I'm sure your case would be no different. Let me share that we have started our manufacturing activities last week with limited operations. Our operations are limited by the shortage of raw material due to lockdown at transport sector, and at times shortage of labor due to unavailability of public transport. We have started our activities taking all the necessary precautions as stipulated by various competent authorities. Despite these challenges, Mosul's competent and motivated team working from home have managed to execute quite a few orders and fulfill our commitments to our customers. We remain committed to fulfill all the promises that we have made to our customers in these times. And to do that, we have created a task force comprising of management and HODs of various departments. You can reach this task force by sending an email to covid19.response@mosul.com. During the last 2.5 months, our team have also put up a completely exhaustive online training portal and support infrastructure, which can be accessed sitting at home through various networking media. I would encourage all of customers to make use of Mosul's experience and expertise in lubrication by participating in these training programs. This will help improve the competency of your people and make your organization more technically sound. In the end, let me thank you once again for all the support that we have received from you from time to time, and we remain committed to stand by you in these times and in future. Thank you. Stay alert, stay safe, stay healthy.